Hello, Skellyboy23, and welcome back to another episode of Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts. So we're just going to be hopping right into this episode. It's been a while since the first episode that I recorded on this game, and I've done quite a lot since then. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna hop into some levels and see what we can do. And I think I'll be doing another Banjo Kazooie episode tomorrow as well. Don't know, possibly, depends on how I'm feeling. Jesus. Douche. What about this? Yeah. Got this. Yep. Yep. Yup. There are some levels that need to be done. Yep, we've done that, or I've done that, so yeah, done quite a lot lately. Whee! Douche! Like this. No, got a lot there. Got enough of there, pretty smokes. Well, let's go search those other ones then. Oh, there's a ginger here. Where's the switch? Nobody knows. Is that the switch over there? I guess let's help this ninja out and also check that mission over there. I have actually not been in this world actually, which holy smokes, makes sense I guess. Oh, okay, this opens this cell. I guess we'll go into that van then. But we're gonna help this ginger out first. We've got one of the nicest cells actually. Hoi! Splash! See, his house is literally right there. And I like how there's a load of animals here as well. Bye. Home sweet home. Let's go into Act 5 of Banjo Land, because apparently I haven't been in that place at all. So we're gonna go in there. Or I'm gonna go in there. I don't see why I refer to us, because I'm the one playing and you guys are the ones watching. So in we go. There we go. Oh my god, you get a close up of Log's face. Oh my god. Okay. Thanks for the information. Who's that down there? Klungo. Whee! Smash! There's a lot of people around the place. We're gonna go talk to Bottles first. Because for some reason I just headed here and I don't want to be near this toilet. Whoa! What is happening here? Banjo, I could really do with your help. You won't believe what's happened this time. Let's hear it. Short stuff. Nothing surprises us anymore. I heard of inflatable sheep has escaped the cut for deadline's room. It must have been too full that door wouldn't shut properly, and now the woolly menace are running wild. So what do I do exactly? It's an infestation. Where? Oh my god, it's an army of sheep. Run, bottles! Lost inflatable sheep must be returned to Logo's bowl. The sheep are grouped in flocks, so use a carrying or herding vehicle to gather as many as possible. Okay then, I know just what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go with... where is it? This vehicle. Because this seems like it can pick up a hell lot of sheep. So let's go. And it has monster roofs. Come on in, bruh. Come get some. That did absolutely nothing. I just knocked some of them out. Oh wow, we just caught one over there. Come here, sheepy. Sheepy. Oh, it's one of those missions. I'm only gonna take 2. Safety. This vehicle will only be able to take 2 sheep at a time, without dropping them, of course. Come on in, grunty bot. Fail, thanks. That just gave us a... oh, thanks. They're trying so hard. They suck so much. Oi! Get over it! Alright, and we'll take the grunt bot. Even though they're not that useful to me, they're much useful getting smashed. Parts have fallen off. Oh well. Can you get off, please? Thank you. Shall we try and put 3 sheep on? I'm gonna try and put 3 sheep on. So we know we can fit 2. I'm gonna try and put 3 sheep on. What? What was that? I'm gonna try and put 3 sheep on. Let's see. Will it work? Oh, come on, man. No, you stay there. And you just get in the car. Just get in. Oh, God. Okay, so we can only carry literally 2 sheep at a time. There's grunt bots constantly bombarding this. Wait, because something is wrong with the charger. Something is wrong, and I don't understand what. There we go, so there. Okay. Let's just... I'm not gonna be able to do this, I'm gonna quit. If I could have got 2 more sheep, I probably would have made it, but I'm just gonna leave you to your problem. And I'm gonna go over to where Congo is, because he was the last person that I thought. Oh my god, that looks disgusting. Oh my god. Congo, I'm coming to you. Oh my god, old friend. I should really make a bouncy vehicle. Whee! So I can literally just bounce around like this. Boom! Right, Clungo, how can I help you? seems to be the problem, buddy. Just race against Klungo as friends. Look at you, Gobi. Okay, at least everyone's using this car. Fine. Something also tells me that will be, well... Oh my god, seriously? Did you just seriously do that? Okay, that's one. At least this vehicle isn't hard to drive or anything. Come on. And I'm glad we've got these floaters which allow us to travel on. Fit, Mr. Oh my god, it's not fit, this one, it's that pirate boy. Get out of the way, pirate boy. No one needs this. Get out of my way. Now I've just got to get past Mr. Fit without him crashing into me and or ruining my life. Okay, there you go. There you go. No, no. Okay, I nearly ruined my own life then. Holy smokes, that ain't gonna do anything to me, Fitty boy. We just smacked a whale. No problem. I'm just gonna go back on land because there's nothing wrong with that. We're doing quite a good, decent job. Holy smokes! Human now. Oh, there you go. 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 And we win. That was quite a good race actually, and the car wasn't that hard to drive. No prob, buddy, because I'm such a good friend. We're gonna change to a different vehicle. I'm going to change in, get my trusty plane so we can start flying everywhere. See if there's any more missions to be done. Except Bottles, who I still need to do. Anyone else? Or is that it? I thought I saw one over here. Over here. Yeah. No? Anyone? Mr. Fit is over here, which means this is going to be a bad one. Coming down. Wow. Boom. That was so majestic. Hello, Mr. Fit. How can we complete your challenge? What is this? Pedal to the metal sign, just click. So we need to use the log goby. This is similar to the other vehicle that I used. Steers the same as well, so it's basically another race. Fair enough. At least I got grippy wheels. I'm happy I've got grippy wheels and not all those crappy other ones. Of course. Oh, there you go, they stopped it spinning just for me. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate that! Oh my god, that was so close. I jumped out just in case. Because I thought that I was going to... or the car was going to fall off. We are... Oh, crud. I don't know where that is. Where is that? Oh, just follow the arrows. Just keep following your arrows and I'll be fine. The arrows point to good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, there it is. There's another jiggy in the bag. Yeah. Great job to me. I feel so good. Thank you, buddy. Wait, was there a ginger over there? Oh, there's a ginger right there. Ow. Crud. There's a ginger right there. Let's grab ourselves another ginger. We don't have many at the moment, so it's a blue one as well. This is a ginger taxi challenge. Oh, okay then. He wants a taxi. Ginger taxi plane. Jesus. Where do you want to go, buddy? Exactly. I'd appreciate if you can get in the air. Just hold on tight. I'm amazing when it comes to planes. So he smokes. What? Okay then, just go get there. That's good. You actually got in there and like, oh well, what? Well, at least we've done it. And we got the ginger where he needed to go, so you're welcome, ginger buddy, pal thingy. Where's my plane? Plane! Okay, let's go. Fly around a little bit, see if there's any other missions that I need to do. Any other missions? Any others? Any more for any more? I don't see any more, so we're gonna go to the thingy. Oh, I hate those grumbots. They just get in the way of everything. So we're going to return to Showdown Town now. Grab three of the jiggies. Three of the jiggies that I'm at. Oh wait, no, I've got 2 jiggies, isn't it? I think it's 3 or 2 jiggies, I don't know. Also, comment down in the comment section below if you are enjoying the series so far. This is only the 2nd level, but yeah. I will also probably be playing this a lot off camera as well, so the reason why first episode I didn't have much stuff and now I have a lot of stuff is because oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Get it? Yes, that I appreciate that. Into the air! Wha-boom! We managed to get 2 Gs. Oh, another gate opens. Yes. This open. Yes. So a new level opened and Pumbaa has gotten some new stuff. So let's go to her store and see what she's selling. Any blueprints I can buy? That's good. No. I'll get the cargo boat. I've got 1,000 of this. Jesus. I'll buy that. And the wedge, I think it's called. The wedge. That's all I'll buy for vehicle things for now, but we'll see if what parts there are here. So medium ammo I'll buy. The robo fixes. Large fuel. Darn it! Oh well, what is that over there? Nutty Eggers Act 6. So I guess now would be a good time to end the episode, so I hope you enjoyed it, and all I can say now is goodbye!